Suppose that we deposit $1,000 into a bank account offering 3% interest compounded monthly. How will our money grow? And so the big difference between this and simple interest is this word compounded, that we're compounding our money. Now, what that means is that when we earn interest, we're not just going to take it and out of the account and spend it, but we're going to leave it in the account and we're going to earn interest on that interest. So let's start out here by noting that this 3% interest rate is what's called an APR, or annual percentage rate. Annual percentage rate. And so we're not earning 3% each month. We're earning 3% as an annual rate, but we're earning our interest monthly. So what that means is that 3% is going to get divided over the 12 months, and we're going to earn 0.25%, or 0.25% each month. So let's see what happens. So in the first month, so at the end of 1 month, I'm going to have my original $1,000, and I'm going to have earned 0.25%. So moving the decimal place over 2 times 0.0025. So I'm going to have earned $2.50 in interest. Now, this expression's kind of messy, so let's go ahead and factor out the 1,000, and that would leave me with 1,000 times 1 plus 0.0025, or in other words, 1,000 times 1.0025. So let's see what would happen in the next year. So now I'm earning, oh, by the way, this comes out to $1,002.50 after we add in our $2.50 worth of interest. So in the next year, next month, I'm going to start with, not with $1,000, but with $1,002.50, and I'm not going to earn interest on just the original 1,000, but I'm going to earn interest on the $1,002.50. And so instead of earning $2.50 worth of interest, I'm going to earn about $2.51 worth of interest. Not a huge difference at this point, but it is different, and we are earning more. Again, we could factor out the $1,002.50 here, leaving me with 1,000 times 1.0025, and I end up with $1,005.01. So I've earned a little bit more money this time. Notice the general pattern here is that the next month, so in this case, oh, and I have a typo here. I'm sorry, I'm going to go correct this really fast. That was not 1,000. That was supposed to be 1,002.50 that we're multiplying by that. So the amount that we have after each month is the previous amount, right? Because here I started with $1,000. The previous amount times 1.0025. After 2 months, I have the amount from the year before, month before, times 1.0025. So after m months, the amount that I'll have will be the amount from the previous month times 1.0025. And that's going to come in handy in a minute. Before we get there, though, let's expand this out a little bit. Let's imagine that we had calculated a few more months' worth of values. So let's jump out and calculate a whole year's worth of values. And notice here that the interest that we're earning is increasing each month, because, again, we're earning interest not just on the original $1,000, but because we're earning interest on the interest we've already earned. And so the amount that my balance increases by each month is increasing as well. So next, we're going to look at how to break down and come up with a general equation for compound interest.